onion and potato seeds at Lowe's. Hello, welcome to 7Semis Garden, where we talk about gardening, ways to save money, and other special events. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you get notified of all upcoming videos. Hello, I've had a couple of questions from viewers that were asking where I get my seeds, and potato seeds and onion seeds. So I'm here at Lowe's, and I just wanted to show you guys what you can get. Most of my seeds, I try to save them from the previous year's potatoes. That includes potatoes. I save them in a nice cool area so that I can use them for the next year. But here at Lowe's, they have seeds out already. You can see they have about 4 seeds in this. And you can get seeds like this and plant them. Or what you can also do is multiply them by cutting the eyes and getting as many of them as you can from one potato seeds. So they have different variety of potato seeds here. I have a video that shows you how to get seeds and how to use one potato like this and get like 4 or 5 different seeds. I'll put a link to that in the description below. They also have sweet potato seeds over here. Here you have two sweet potato seeds in this pack right here. They have 2 sweet potato seeds in this pack. Like I said, if they have several heads on that sweet potato, you can definitely multiply that by the number of eyes that you have on each of them, and you'll be able to get multiple from each potato. Same with the russet potatoes and all these. Like you see, the prices over here is $3.90, $3.98. Then there are 4 in there, so you can split them into one. Might give you like this one in the middle can give you at least 2 or 3 heads or 2 or 3 seeds that you can plant for potatoes. Another way you can do it is you can get organic potatoes from like organic stores and farms, and just put them in a nice cool area, and when they heads start coming out, you can plant them in your garden. Over here they have onions also. You can see the onions. These are onions seeds that you can get, and they come in a pack of about 90 in each. And they have a variety. There's a mixed variety, and there's a red variety also right here. So depending on which one, usually I like to get the red or a mixture of red and yellow or white. But you can get the red, you can get the mixture, or you can just get the yellow. And like I said, they come in a pack of 90 for $3.98. So if you intend to start growing onions, you can get a pack like this, and or a couple of packs if you need a lot of them. Down here they have garlic. This is garlic right here, and you can split, even though there are 3 in here. But once you split the garlic heads into, you can get quite a few in there, because one comes with at least 10 or 12, and then if you split those 3 into 10 or 12 each, will give you about 36 seeds for a pack like this. Over here they have rhubarb. Rhubarbs, this is just one, and this is like the roots that you plant. You plant the roots and you can get rhubarb. This is these are asparagus right here, and they also come with roots. All you do is just plant the roots, and you be able to start getting asparagus. The instructions in the back too for you to follow if that's your first time doing it. So, but this is what they have over here for the seedlings that they have over here at Lowe's. Okay, that is it for today. If you like the video, please smash the like button. If you haven't subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to share. Thanks for watching. Happy growing.